In this video, you will see how to remove double underline in Word document. The double underline usually is applied by selecting the word and then under the underline option. Here you will see the option of double underline. After tapping this option, underline is added. And to remove this underline, you need to select the double underline text, right click on the selected text and then click on the font option. You will see this dialog box. Under the underline style, you can see here it is a double underline. You just need to click on the option and instead of any type of underline, you just have to select the option none. And as you can see in the preview, there is no double underline. Once done, just click on OK to remove the double underline. If you want to use the keyboard shortcut, press and hold the control key on your keyboard and press U and again press control U second time to completely remove the underline in Word document from the text. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.